show you guys around, but I was running for the bus. Guys, let me give you the backstory. We are here for afternoon tea. Well, I'm having the afternoon tea. Melissa is having the lunch because of her dietary restrictions. We were late for the appointment on Saturday, so we booked for today. We are at the Mont Calm. I think the name of the restaurant is the Crescent Restaurant. So I'll tell you how the tea is. Melissa and I will rate the food out of 10 by the end of this. I like Melissa. Me, I would have let the thing pass, but she asked if there was any non-alcoholic wine. But they're supposed to ask us anyways. Like, they don't know if we drink alcohol. We can have a drink it. This is Melissa's non-drink. So this is my drink. It's a berry something. Non-alcoholic. It replaces our champagne. And all of the goodies. Love these. Out of 10, how much did you give the starter?
The starter, I would definitely give it 8 out of 10.
Okay.
It was really, really good. Really good.
I had some of Melissa's starter as well, and in as much as I don't eat squid, it was good. The breading was nice. It was seasoned well. So I will give it 8.5 out of 10.
You see, it was higher than mine.
What about your main course?
So, my main course, the salmon, I would do a salmon, I give a salmon an 8 as well. But the potato, I'll give it a 5. I really liked it.
Okay. So I had sandwiches. There were a variety of sandwiches. There was a cucumber sandwich. There was a tuna fish sandwich, I believe. A salmon one with ham, and there was another one. They all tasted good. They were interesting. I really enjoyed the tuna one and the salmon one because the salmon was a tiny bit salty. I enjoyed my scone with my clotted cream and jam. 10 out of 10 for the scone. I'm a scone girl. There's another one there that I want to take home. And the cake platter, I had 2 varieties of carrot cake. Both of them were just okay. Nothing great. I don't like the cream cheese frosting on the second carrot cake bit that I had, but I have not had the other cakes. So overall, I would give it 6. My drink was good as well, but nothing super exciting. So overall, I would give the tea a 6 out of 10. That's all. Thank you. I'll take it. Thank you.
Everything is fine? Yes, everything is perfect. Thank you.
Going to Primark. Melissa may have to leave.
Because she's a shopaholic.
Not quite. Shopaholic on a budget, a tight student.
Who's on a budget? You see how she dressed.
Shopaholic on a budget, honey.
worship you. I worship you. And you are waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are.
So take it or leave it. I am half too later. I remember you posted.
Let's see if they have today. Yes, I tried that one. It was nice, you know. Yes, the red bean roll. They use red bean a lot. Oh yes, that one, my favorite. It has gotten, what's that? Peanuts
Roll or whatever.
solid, and this one is custard man.
Yeah.
Let me see what white cake have in it. Yes, I eat everything, girl. What? So guys, we went to the Chinatown bakery, which I love, and I got my favorite, which is the coconut bun. And Katisha and Melissa are trying the fish taiyaki thingy-majiggy.
What's the name of that?
Some taiyaki or something like that. Oh, I've had the taiyaki before, but it had red bean paste. This one has custard. So just like vanilla sponge thing.
Okay.
When you first taste it.
You have to taste it with the custard inside. Because she's just having her second one. She looking like she can eat a whole bag. She's enjoying it. She's eating for two, guys. Chanel, how do you rate it? Because you just said 10 out of 10.
I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Why?
Yes. It has an eggy taste that I find a lot of the Chinese bakery stuff has that I don't like personally.
Okay.
But it's the vanilla, the custard, it's nice.
Okay.
So I'm having a mojito, the most boring drink on the table. Apparently.
Boring too. What are you talking about?
Katisha has the bomb drink on the table.
I don't even know what mine is.
Guys, we are at seafood somewhere, the seafood bar, on Dean Street or somewhere like that. Yes, Dean Street. Yeah, so we're having something to eat again. My stomach has no space, but anything for the lime. Guys, so it's me again. I am still in London and I'm headed to meet another one of my friends. He is a fellow Chevening scholar and he's leaving this week, so I'm going to say my goodbyes and do our last little hoorah. So we said that we're going to watch Woman King. We had initially said that we wanted to do the London Eye together, but it's a good thing we didn't do today because it's really rainy and windy. I don't know if you're hearing this wind. So yeah.
Naniska, the Woman King.
I just finished watching The Woman King It was really good. I really enjoyed it. Out of 10, how much would you give it?
For content, 10.
Okay.
Acting, 10.
10. But you're like,
Music,
giving it.
10.
Love that. So 10 out of 10. Yes, but we also finishing it off on a sad note. A former chief from Jamaica passed. So we're watching her funeral service online. It's really, really sad.
Excitement to pursue her dreams saw her successfully completing her academic courses before news came of yet another cancer diagnosis. She again this time, away from support system, made the decision to fight and endured multiple surgeries and continued treatment regimes before returning to Jamaica in December 2021. Armed with the task of completing her thesis while managing her health concern, Josan curated routines of work that unsurprisingly made room for reconnecting with loved ones.
So Ophneil and I have found ourselves at TK Maxx as usual. Ophneil is a shopaholic, guys. He's depressed because he cannot buy more stuff. Can you guys imagine this? What am I hearing here? Like, it's crazy. This is such a good one. Listen, he just bought 3 pairs of shoes this week. I find the boys section have more options.
Yeah, far more options
than the women's section.
The other one at Oxford had more options, more shoes.
Let's go in the back section.
Way bigger.
So all these years you didn't have black watch, you were wearing clothes. You
I don't really wear watches now.
Exactly.
It's not my thing.
Oh, I love watches. So guys, I'm at Primark trying this thing that I've wanted for a long time. There are no sizes where I now live. Even the 2XS I find fits a little big, but this is it. Now guys, I don't know how long I'm here for, not very much longer, so I don't know why I'm buying new things. But I love this. It's cute. It matches with my typical wardrobe colors. Let me know if I should buy it. What is this food set? That's not the first thing we came in. I have a 2-hour journey. So this is how I traveled. This headscarf, my little woody, which is my comfortable travel type fit. I normally have on some brown joggers with this hoodie to travel, but today I put on my jeans, and then I had in my long boots that you guys must have seen. And these were the bags that I came with. This one had my laptop, my iPad. This one has my clothes. I haven't unpacked it, so I'm going to unpack it right now. So I'm going to wrap up this vlog. I will see you guys in the next one.
My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, crown so heavy, my crown so heavy.